Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nothing to Something. So today let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty have reacted, have traded today. I've also taken a live trade. I'll tell you why I have taken that live trade, where I have taken and what profit or loss I have made. Right, so today if you see, Bank Nifty is highly volatile. If you see here, see first it opened with slight gap up. After that it came down. It even broke yesterday's low, and then again went up till today's high. First 5 minutes high, and then again it came down, and again it went up. Broke yesterday's high, and then it was sideways. It was truly sideways. Most of the option buyers or most of the option buyers or most of the traders would have lost their money hitting their stop loss on both the sides. Right. So yes. So because this candle seems to be very strong and it has broken yesterday's low, people might have thought that okay, this is the time to short, and they would have shorted over here by keeping the stop loss over here. But what happened? It took support over here, and again it retraced. It went back. Right. But this momentum was huge. Right. So and then here people must have entered, but what happened? It it reversed at today's all-time high, today's high, and then came down, and then again it went up. Right. So today it was a very volatile day for Bank Nifty traders. Okay, let's see how Nifty has traded. Nifty, when compared to Bank Nifty, is a bit okay, guys, because see here. Okay, let me keep this. Okay, here. Okay. So first, what has happened? It came down. It came almost near to yesterday's support, then went up, and then again came down, and it went up, and it was sideways. Right from the point where I had marked the resistance, 25,166, exactly almost at the same level, it has reacted, and then it came down. It was sideways. So yeah, it was a very volatile day in Bank Nifty, guys. So I'll tell you where I have taken the trade. First of all, let me show you my orders, my order book. My first trade was at 942. I had shorted the 51,000 put option of August month's expiry, which is this month expiry, 51,942. Right, so let's go to the chart. So this is 935 to 940 candle. So after this candle close, I almost entered here, somewhere over here. I entered exactly somewhere over here, and then by expecting the target of target till here, and my stop loss was this. See, that is the reason I marked this as my stop loss, 50,933. That is the reason I've drawn this line, thinking that this would be my stop loss. And let me show you the option chart, what has happened. Yeah, if we go to the option chart, so yes, I had charted somewhere near here. 940, yeah, somewhere over here. Right, so at this candle, somewhere I had charted at, let me show you, at 211.2. Okay, I had kept my stop loss above this candle around 264, right? And then I was expecting one here, because it showed me 1 is to more than 1 is to 2. See, this my target was 1 is to 3, right? So after my entry, my target was almost 1 is to 3. But what happened? Almost 1 is to 3.7. But here, what happened was, after my entry, my stop loss was 52. But if I need 1 is to 3, it wasn't possible. It wouldn't have been possible, right? So I thought, okay, my target was reached here, satisfied, and I was waiting. I had kept my, target at 103, but this came as low as 108. You guys can see over here. You guys can see here. It came as low as 107.05, but it did not come down till 103. So I waited again. I still waited to for the 103 to be executed. But what has happened? It came down and then it fell. This huge candle was very scary, guys. Most of them might have squared up their positions over here. Most of them would have lost their money in this candle exactly. Even I had placed the stop loss order and then my target also. I had placed my target and my stop loss. See, these are the two things. I had squared up at that point because I'll tell you why I had squared up. Because see, even though the market came there was so much of volatility. Even though there was so much of volatility, my stop loss was somewhere over here, right? So even though the bank nifty, even though bank nifty would reach here at this point, I knew that the option premiums will not go till here. The option premiums will only go till here or here, right? So I had to exit manually. So that is the reason I had cancelled the you know I had cancelled the stop loss order. So thinking that if my stop loss is set in bank nifty, I would exit manually. Right. Then what has happened? It went up again, and then again it went up again, and then again it was for the 10 minutes it was like that itself. For the not for the 10 minutes, for 20 minutes it was like hitting the targets, but it wasn't hitting exactly. Even after this candle close, my 103, it did not the option premium did not come down till 103 at this red candle where 103 was hit exactly at 11:20. Guys, see, this is 11:20. So see, this is 11:20 candle. Right. So this is where my target was at this candle exactly. I actually expected a trending day at least today, guys, because after the breakout, see, after this breakout over here, after this breakout, the market had broken up, and then I thought it came to retest, and again it would go up. Trending. But what has happened? It did not happen the way I thought. It was very volatile. It came down, went up, came down, went up, and was sideways. And at last, due to some selling pressure, it came down. So my PNL is 1,623 guys. So this is the profit that I made today. Um, yes, that is it, guys. The reason why I sold 51,000 put option over here was I because let me open Nifty chart also. Remember this candle, guys. It is first, second, third, and fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth candle. This is the fifth candle. So let's see where Nifty has been in the fifth candle. So if you see first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, Nifty is almost near to support, right? So it is almost near to support. So I thought, okay, by influence of Nifty, even Bank Nifty could move higher. And also there is one more reason. I also went to see the India VIX. I also saw the India VIX. India VIX also wasn't increasing; it was decreasing. Whenever the market falls, or whenever the market is going to fall, there will be some fear, and that fear indexes the India VIX, which should have been increased if the market would have fallen. Because the VIX didn't increase, I thought, okay, today it would reverse. So I thought it would reverse from here, and that is the reason I had bought at this. Even my stop loss would be less, right? So that is the reason. And one more reason why I had, why I went long was this trend line base. I have been telling you about this trend line even from my past videos. If you see here, this trend line is has been broken yesterday, even though it is a negative candle. It it exactly took support over there, and it has bounced back. If you see on the daily basis, this uh, you know this is a bullish candle actually. It is a bullish candle. So let's see how the markets goes tomorrow. So this is one more major reason. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.